few important instructions for the hair transplant surgery is you have to have a very good sleep prior to the procedure. Suppose if you are doing a night shift, better not to do the procedure next day. So good sleep can give you very good procedure done and good healing is possible. Other general instructions before hair transplant surgery is if you are a smoker, kindly reduce the smoking and reduce as much as you can, at least 10 days before the procedure. Is there any alcohol habit? You have to stop the alcohol at least 2-3 days prior to the procedure and even at least 1 week after the procedure also. Because if you take the alcohol prior to the procedure and even after the procedure, there is a possibility of more bleeding that can happen during the procedure.
Subscribe to our channel now to get more update.
Another important thing is talk to your doctor about pre-medication prior to the hair transplant procedure. This pre-medication will help you to reduce your anxiety so that the procedure goes very smooth. What kind of clothes or dress can be comfortable for the procedure is better not to wear a round neck t-shirt, because round neck t-shirt can give you difficult to remove the t-shirt after the procedure if you have a bandage is there. So we always recommend to use front open or V neck kind of t-shirt, or normal button shirt would be sufficient or comfortable for you to go with the hair transplantation procedure. Second day, we remove your bandage that has given. After removing the bandage, we'll give you a ribbon kind of bandage which is supposed to avoid your swelling on the forehead. Talk to your doctor about ribbon bandage and the uses of that and how to remove it. And another important point is second day onwards, you're supposed to wash the implanted area, which is very mandatory. Most of the clinics will not suggest you to wash, but it is recommended to wash every day to remove the blood clots, whatever it is. So washing every day until 12 days is mandatory. Talk to your doctor about washing instructions.
Call us now for free consultation and expert advice.
And apart from that, sprinkling normal saline water on the implanted area every 3 to 4 hours is the most important instruction that you're supposed to follow to keep the grafts always moist. If you're not going to sprinkle normal saline on the implanted area, probably your grafts will get dry and you may not get good results. Some people ask me, can I rub the grafts? You are not supposed to rub the grafts until 12 days, whereas you're supposed to wash it every day without rubbing. That's the most important instruction, less than 12 days. After 12th day, you're supposed to rub the grafts and wash. So this is a little confusion for the patients. You should be very aware of this. Before 12th day, 12 days, from day 1 to 12 days, do not rub the grafts, but you still take the hair wash. Whereas after 12 days onwards, you're supposed to rub the grafts and take the hair wash. Actually, all these grafts are supposed to fall by 12 days to 15 days. Most of the patients, they lose all these implanted grafts by 90% by end of the 20th day. That's quite common. One should not worry about those shedding grafts, because that's a very common phenomena in hair transplantation. Some people ask me, can I rub the grafts? You are not supposed to rub the grafts until 12 days, whereas you're supposed to wash it every day without rubbing. That's the most important instruction, less than 12 days. After 12th day, you're supposed to rub the grafts and wash. So this is a little confusion for the patients. You should be very aware of this. Before 12th day, 12 days, from day 1 to 12 days, do not rub the grafts, but you still take the hair wash. Whereas after 12 days onwards, you're supposed to rub the grafts and take the hair wash. About clarity about these instructions, you're supposed to talk to your doctor or take a written instruction list from your doctor that can help you.
Call us now for free consultation and expert advice.
When can I start gym after my hair transplant? Is another question. You can resume your gym by 20 or 25 days after the procedure. If it is a strip method, better 30 days. If it is a FUE, at least 15-20 days is okay. So during the gym, the sweating is not a problem. Another commonly asked question is, can I use the cap? Cap can be used after the second day itself. A normal cap or scarf or bandana is okay. We don't recommend stretchable cap, that is a monkey cap, some people say. That is not recommended. So normal cap can be used immediately after the second of the procedure. And helmet can be used only after 13th day. So one should remember, helmet uses should be started only after 13th day. Until then you can use the cap. Complete hair growth can happen only after 8 to 9 months, and sometimes it takes even 12 to 14 months too. So one should not worry about this hair growth which is not happening less than 6 months. It will take a long time. What happens if I expose to sunlight after the hair transplant? Usually, if you expose to sunlight after the hair transplant, there is a possibility of infection that is called folliculitis that can happen on the scalp. So this folliculitis, once it happens, is very difficult to manage. So one's supposed to avoid it rather curing it. To avoid it, you're supposed to use a very nice cap and protect it from sunlight. You can avoid the folliculitis, and you're supposed to rub and wash the grafts with provided gel from your clinic, which can help you to avoid the folliculitis infection. Folliculitis infection can really spoil your hair transplantation. So talk to your doctor about how to avoid the folliculitis infection during your procedure.
ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರು 4,000ವರೆಗೂ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯೆನ್ಸಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Call us now for free consultation and expert advice.